Hello everyone, I'm Swati Verma working as Chief Manager in bank and I'm basically from Udaipur only and I have two children and I'm married and I have a very wonderful family and I love my family. Basically in my family all are doctors, father and brother is doctor. I've been working since 2006 in bank and I have done my education in MCA, Masters of Computer Application from Udaipur only and I've been associating bank since 2006 and by getting promotions and by hard work, presently I'm working as chief manager. The struggles which I faced was while working in bank, I had to adjust and balance my life as a mother also and as a professional woman also. So that was a hard time when my posting was in different place and I had to leave my kids with my parents. But then what I found positive was you should feel positive from inside. You should gain inner strength and by continuous meditation and doing yoga, that was the thing that gave me strength, and plus spending quality time with my children also was a positive factor which kept us together with my family even when we were far away. My main role model is my spiritual guru and my father also, who is doctor and he was also serving the society and doing free checkups, and from morning to evening he is doing free checkups also and doing research works also. He has contributed a lot in research and gained awards also worldwide. So he's my role model and my spiritual guru. My message to all is that dedication and devotion uh, can help you to achieve whatever you want, and being positive in life and never give up in life is more important. For people who want to join banking industry, I would suggest that they should have a positive attitude. They should have perseverance, tolerance, and patience because you can't get success overnight. You have to work hard. You have to have patience and give your best and be positive. Because in banking industry, you get different customers with different tempo and different behaviors. So you have to work with different people and you have to have a positive atmosphere so that you can work with different customers also, different colleagues, and with your perseverance and hard work you can proceed and get success in life. So be tolerant and be patient and keep working hard. If time was to run back, then I would I'd like to become doctor, because in that way I'm seeing as my father is serving people, that will give me an opportunity to serve the people more. In banking also I am serving people and giving my best service, but being a doctor I could serve a large group of people in a larger way. I have grown up in Udaipur only, and my memories are very deeply associated with Udaipur. Like going to Fateh Sagar, going to Gulabagh, Doodh Talai, and having picnic in near surrounding areas. So with my family, so that is the most memorable memories. I think both things are equally important. We need to have a balance in both the things because experience is not while we are working. Experience starts from the childhood, and the every moment you live and project yourself grooms you, and experience also adds on and makes you the person what you want to become. Other than work, I love to read books, play with my children, spend time with them, and have a very nice sleep. That is what I love to do. The success mantra of my company is that we are working on three principles: service, transparency, and ethics. If we provide good service, then only we able to get a customer with long relationship. We need to be transparent, and so that customer trusts us, and we need to work ethically. So all these three parameters will build a good relationship with the customer, and we'll also go a long way in having bonding and human touch with customers that will project a very best image of organization. Thank you very much for listening to me. And if you are get motivated by my inspiration, then kindly like me and share me. And if anyone has stories like me, you can share stories like me on this platform. Thank you very much. Constantly doing yoga and meditation is important because half an hour exercise will balance your hormones, and if your hormones are balanced, then that will give you a balance of mind and body also. In today's life everybody is facing a lot of stress, we need to focus on our work, we need to have concentration, and stability of mind is also important. So for that, continuous meditation will give you inner strength and inner peace also, so that you'll focus more on your work, and will give you a balance of mind, and will give you a more efficient working also. You will become a better human being also. I would like to end this with a quote: Seva Parmo Dharma. Seva in all sector, you need to provide the best service, whether you're a doctor, whether you're an engineer, whether you're IT professional, whether you're a banker, teacher. Seva Parmo Dharma is the crux of life and crux of working and serving the society. Thank you.